go to the most recent. Oh no, actually, I'm gonna go to the LinkedIn account because a lot of people don't know about the Mira.
Have you ever been harassed by the cops? Have you almost got hit by them shots? In the kitchen while your cousin whipping pots? See your nigga get a chain from a flock? See your nigga get a car from a flock? I need a girl with a whip in the spot. She open up when she hear the door knock. She open up cause I make the boat rock. Left stroke.
Alright, guys. That would have been nice if I came on here and there was brand new information, but no, it's just some of the same stuff. Let's see, articles. It's on here somewhere. Did you? Oh yeah, here we go. So this is a Mira updated analyst report on Mira Pharmaceuticals. Kingswood US has released an updated report on Mira Pharmaceuticals. The Nasdaq. Oh no, sorry, I'm tripping. It's a reaffirming buy with a target price of $7.50. Target price is $7.50. Let me pull up the Mira chart really quick with Robinhood right now. And let's see, Pltr, no. Okay, so Mira's at $1.90 after hours, so it's up 2%. And today gained 2%. Basically, it's 1.32 plus 1.32, which is about 4%. So 4% gain on the day. Let's see, Karen Sterling was the one that did this. She does equity research for life sciences. And from my understanding, her main, she looked at both Mira 55 and Ketamar too. So a lot of people have not been looking at Mira 55, which is actually their original medication from the company Mira 55, so that is a marijuana analog, basically like CBD, CBG type of analog that can help treat treatment resistant depression, pain, PTSD. Same thing as Ketamar basically, but it's just different analogs and different drugs. So it depends on the genetics and DNA of the person. Obviously it's gonna depend and vary person to person on which medication is gonna be more effective. But throughout time, with human studies and human trials, they should be able to get it down, especially in the next coming year, in the next 12 months. I would say this is a lower price target of $7.50. I think that there could possibly be a merger. I think there could be an acquisition, maybe. I think even a big company like RxRx, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, could possibly buy this type of company. They've been buying companies. I mean, there's multiple holdings companies of pharmaceutical companies out there right now, actually. I just don't have them in front of me. For example, they could be added to like Royalty Pharma. I don't know if you know of Royalty Pharma, but you guys can look them up. Like there's a billion different possibilities and outcomes. So it's better to remain optimistic than not optimistic. I will admit, during the election tonight, I think it was Massachusetts that had a huge voting for psychedelic therapy research. It was not ketamine, but it was psilocybin, and it got not approved. It did not get approved. So I mean, I'm gonna actually check right now. That's actually a little more important, I feel like, because that's a potential game changer for um what do you call it, for Mira itself, because obviously if they're approving something in one state, they're gonna start a ripple effect and approve it in multiple states. So, but yeah, human trial starts January. I think it's the 25th. So it's like at the end of January they'll start the human trials. You know, they have to probably get all kinds of like paperwork done. So they have the IND meeting coming up. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in about a week or two. Um, like any day now, we should just see the fucking news alert that says something we wanted to say. I'm actually gonna go on TradingView really quick and look at Mira because I want to check something out. Oh yeah, and one more thing is like people don't use their tools enough. Robinhood Legend is way better than TradingView though. That's like a trip. Today I made a quick little trade and it was pretty nice, but like it's just insane to me that that's even possible. Like people, oh wow. Sorry, I'm looking at Bitcoin right now and crypto. It's like crazy right now. Tesla, Apple, Apple's up, Tesla's up, Netflix up. Everything's like going crazy right now. Oh shit. Bitcoin, it retraced back down a little bit actually. It's at 73K. Ethereum is definitely doing good. Oh man, the mining companies are about to go crazy tomorrow. So November 2nd. No, wait, is it November 2nd? When was that? What day is it? Oh, what day is it? Shit. Okay, so somebody just posted on this thing right here. TradingView. This is somebody's technical analysis. Let's see what they think. So they basically just are saying that they're going to hit $1 below price target. They're basically going to say, they're saying they're going to retrace back to the levels that they already were at previously, but I mean, with human trials, and I'm pretty sure the FDA is going to approve this one because they already have approved ketamine in all 50 states. Um, the data is pretty promising. The data is more promising than any data actually ever presented to like the FDA before. So it'd be insanity if they didn't. It'd be like literally if they did not approve this, it would be almost as if the election, like it would be almost as if Trump lost, which he clearly won. So just to put it in perspective of like how much what do you go like I would say momentum I have seen the stock have and how much I believe in the stock. So trust me, let's do this. Another thing I need to check. What other stocks are we doing? Let's see. Oh yeah. So I might as well do it. Oh yeah, the trade. I don't know if I want to show. I can't show my screen right now, so I'll have to do it in the morning or tomorrow. But I might as well talk about Rich Tech Robotics. Rich Tech Robotics is a company that is based out of Nevada. Um, they're actually down pretty bad right now in the pre-market. So 4:55. So 5 a.m. East Coast time. We're down 5%. We're down. We were down 5% yesterday. We're down. No, we're down 6% yesterday. We're down 5% as we speak. So my shares are not looking good in that company, but it's okay. I'm about to explain to you why this company is going to be a 20x, maybe a 10x, maybe actually 10 to 20, I would say. But Oh, wow. So for some reason, the information for the holders and like um, insider trading and stuff like that is not here, and it normally is always here. Hold on. As of okay, I found it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 holders. I guess you could say 10. I was just trying to conclude this like last time, this last round of holders. So a total of 10 holders. I always tell people there's no reason there's no what do you mean? Ugh, tired. There's no like that it doesn't happen by chance that they have 47 shares of Bank of America has 47 shares of Mira. So like I'm pretty sure they're just holding it in a portfolio. The value is literally $28. I mean, that was back then. We all know Mira's gone up since then, but like seriously, it's hilarious. I mean, I actually think that they might have bought at like a $7 level and a $6 to $7 level, and that's why a lot of people think that they're gonna retrace back to that level. And but that's just their price target. You know what I mean? That's not considering the thesis and the storyline here and the narrative behind the stock itself. So I'm gonna start listing by share count, bottom to top, highest to lowest, and then I'll just start. I'll name the top 5 holders of the company. So one company has, and these all are about 1% of the company. I would say, 10% are insider holders, so 10% are probably the bosses. It doesn't say where to float it, so I don't know. I'm not really trusting this right here. Okay, so 108,000 shares for Renaissance Technologies, and if you have not looked them up, they actually have some pretty good investments. So if you want to look them up, go ahead. Geode Capital Management, they're really cool too. They have a very like head-on, innovative, weird approach that they like to like grab a share of every company they can think of. I feel like, but they have 42K shares, which is 2,000 more than Symmetry Peak Management. And the next one is Virtue Financial with 24K, basically 25K, 25,000 shares. And next company is Signy Wealth with 25K. Two Sigma Securities, a lot of people know them, 13K. XTX Topoco, 10K shares. And then we have Tower Research with 10,000 shares. Bank of America, 47 shares. I don't know what that is all about, but who knows? Maybe one day we'll wake up and it'll say 4,700. There's 47 million. That would be nice. No, I really do think that this is a company Jensen Huang is probably. I really think he is going to invest in this. Like Nvidia, I think is going to invest in this shit, and it's going to be crazy. Russell futures are up, so damn, son. I gotta look at hold on real quick. So I called an option in the group. Somebody tried to do puts on the Russell. Somebody tried to do puts on the Russell in my group, and I was like, bro, are you kidding me right now? I like was trying to be, what do you call it, content today too, and focus on my work, and I was like, dude over here was trying to short the market. I was like, bro, are you a psychopath right now? Like, yeah, we're gonna have a pullback, we're gonna have a drawback, but this shit is not gonna happen for like now that Trump's president. I hate to bring it to your attention, but like The market is already at all-time high. SoFi alone, SoFi Technologies, uh, Robinhood alone, um, changed the game. So SoFi is not even innovated into new fintech products yet. Um, what else do we have? We have apps like after hours, like on iOS. You know what I mean? Um, where you can do copy trade. It's like the cool Reddit. Like remember the cool Reddit before it IPO'd? Even though the stock is up like so much, and I should have never sold it. Me being resentful right there. Um, I want to look at Reddit right now actually because they fucked Reddit up ever since they what do you call it? I mean, I still go to Reddit for information. I mean, Google is Reddit. Wow, they're at an all-time high. That's crazy as fuck to be. 127 up right now, 5% in the pre-market. That is insane. I literally bought them at like 30 $31 and I had like it was too many shares and I was just like I forgot what happened. I think it was a panic back. No, I think I was gambling. That's what it was. I was gambling. I was gambling and I was not doing very good. Like gambling and investing are two different things, and I wish people would realize that. Because you can be a great gambler and a terrible investor, and a great investor and a terrible gambler, if that makes any sense. Sports are just manifested way differently. All right, we're up to 53.16, 4% for Palantir, and then I'm gonna try to find um, analysts for Rich Tech. Oh yeah, so the Ghost Kitchen article that's what I'm gonna find first. They released. So they're coming to Arizona. I know that for sure. Like, don't ask how I know, but they might be in more than one spot. They might be in more than just Walmart, like they have a deal with, and that would be amazing. It's crazy the stock's down so much, but like I don't even care because I know that it's gonna do good in the future. Especially because there's a huge thesis I have behind the American robotics industry. I think it's extremely undervalued. It's being shorted. The AI cloud technology that they use for robotics is being shorted, which is crazy because it boils down to NVIDIA. I mean, it really does. It boils down to NVIDIA hardware, Dell products like Intel, you know what I mean, like American hardware and Apple Intelligence and all these types of things, right? And it's just they're being not used to the best of their ability. They're making drones instead. A lot of companies. I don't know what's up with all the drone companies on this New York Stock Exchange, but I'm like, wow, how many drone companies can you have? Like fucking hell. Yeah, if I was you, I would not invest in any drone companies. Like, unless it's something like Palantir that makes the technology for the drone, or if it's something like like L3 Harris that like owns a fleet of drones and ammunition and amphibious machines and all the 9 yards. You know what I mean? So Rich Tech Robotics is going to expand an agreement with Ghost Kitchens, and they're going to manage 20 extra located restaurants, and that's a growing industry. And they hope to have another 20 within the prior year following. And that's not including the scorpions that are going out. That's not including, excuse me, that's not including the medical products that are going out, the dusties. That's not including the floor cleaners. They have a lot of new products, actually. I'm going to look them up and go to the main website so that we can see what they have. So yeah, the Scorpion is it's a mixed cocktail maker, and it's getting really popular and a lot of hype lately. So, but the most main attractive is Adam. So Adam is that little robot. He looks like R2D2, which is pretty sick, and I like that about him. But these things, Scorpion, Adam, Medbot, Titan, Dusty ES, Dusty EMX, and then their newer products, Skylark, which are the multi-purpose ones, used for cleaning, keeping everything nice. There's multiple. I haven't really dove into it, but I know that all of these products have something that society can um, utilize to its advantage, and I think that these products are going to be the future for like disease and infection, like the stopping of it, the stop of disease and infectious diseases. Um, I don't know if people know like my background a little, but I have done epidemiology a little bit, so it kind of opened my eyes to like what type of uh, tools would be able to help um, companies succeed without possibly tarnishing or hurting um, more and more employees. You know what I mean? So Rockford, Illinois, there's a first humanoid drink robot, um, and that's where they decided to put Adam. Adam is in Rockford, and what's pretty cool is I have a friend in Rockford, Illinois. Uh, you know who you are. I'll probably send you this video now that I just realized that. That's really cool. That's really cool. I'm gonna take that as a sign, actually. So, so it makes hot coffee, iced coffee, boba tea. I'm gonna ask him to send me a video. I'm gonna see if he'll do me a solid and drive. I'm gonna text him right now. Actually, literally right now. I didn't know it was in Rockford. Thought it was in Springfield. I thought it was. Oh no, not Springfield. What am I? I'm thinking Missouri. To be really real, I forgot where I thought it was, but I know where this. He actually was my brother's best friend growing up, so that's what's pretty cool. Miss him around, bro, for sure. Let me see where the frick are his messages. Let me see. I don't know what. This is frustrating. I don't know where the messages are. The person that I'm talking to is a very established person, so I can't just like bring up their name. Okay. Whoa. I got a lot of followers overnight. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find him. I think if I type in his name, but it won't come up. Oh, here we go. All right, let's see if it is Rockford. I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord will. They said that he said wherever he works at in Illinois, he said he has a lot of robberies, and there's a lot of cocaine problems, and that people can get stopped with coke, weed, open alcohol, and they can't get charged because state attorneys won't prosecute. That's crazy. Rockford, Illinois, bro. Yeah, your boy is hitting him up right now, and he's gonna send a video, and I'm gonna get it loaded up. We're gonna see how Adam actually works, and then that way, hopefully, we get some more investor sentiment because it's a mid cap, but it's not running up like I thought it would. I mean, it's not even a mid cap; it's a fucking micro cap now, but I'm not really sitting at a loss like that bad. I mean, I did have some share. I mean, if any, actually, I traded a long time ago. I had made some trades with them. That was when they were like going above and beyond like $1 to $1 like 40, $1.50 sometimes. But Bnox Bnox Bionomics Limited, uh, that was the that was the stock that I called out this morning. Well, yesterday morning, and my alerts were going off in the morning at like 4 a.m. or whatever, and I was just telling everybody in the Facebook group, well, and then at Facebook and the Telegram group, the volume spike that I saw, the news I saw, everything I saw. This is one of those stocks that's like from outside the country. What is it called? An ADR stock or something like that. So the price target on this stock is the stock is 0.38 cents. Price target is $6 in the next year. So if it could do half that, then you would easily 12x your money, like at least. If it could just do half that. Yeah, this is a company based out of, I'm pretty sure, Australia, and they're like receiving about $1 million towards the Bksy 101, and this is like a partnered legacy program for oncology discovery. And this is something they've been working at for a while now, and they haven't really been successful in it. And I haven't really. I think they had a couple splits. No, maybe I'm thinking about a different company. Let me check. So they're down all time 97%. Let me see when they came out. Oh, they only came out. Yeah, this is a newer. This is like Mira type of sentiment. If I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Wow, my computer chooses right now to act up. That's annoying. Apparently, I'm staying up so pre-market and then waking up at market open. All right, so yeah, we're down 97% to the 0.38 mark, and yesterday, obviously, it's down 22% overnight, but it went up 156%, and it's gone up nearly as high. I mean, I cashed out I did my trade this morning at 0.60 cents, so like I was chart reading and I could tell that I just knew. I just, set up my indicators, set up my slangs. I call them slangs. I will never teach you what that tool is because a magician never reveals a secret. And yeah, slangs. They helped me out, man. I'm telling you, just mess with the charts, mess with all the charts, any charts. If you can just play around with them, try to set up indicators, just mess with them, and little by little, you know what's up. You know what I mean? We got the S&P up 3%. Wow, that's amazing. The S&P futures is up 3%. The Dow is up 3%. Nasdaq up 2%. What? Russell is up 7%, dude. The Russell's up 7%. I knew it. Outpaced everybody. I mean, it is early. It's 4 and 5 in the morning in New York or whatever the fuck. But the Russell's up. So right there, I feel accomplished. You know what I mean? That's good. I knew regardless if it was, Kamala won or Trump won, that small caps were going to be for the dub. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, repost, like if you find this useful. Team Mira, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all new comments and the new subscribers. I've had a surge of new subscribers in the past few days. Surge of new watchers, I guess you could say. Repeated watchers is what it is, I guess. So thank you for coming back to the channel. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Liking helps. And like I said, Mira is going to be one of the next big things in healthcare, especially for treatment, uh, resistant depression, PTSD symptoms, and neuropathic pain and cancer pain. So, if you want to really lock in on something that could possibly run up to $25, like Summit Therapeutics did this past year, then just lock in. I've been calling this share like the past year, no, not year, but like 7 months, since it was $1. It would literally hover to $1, dollar two, $1, dollar two, dollar, dollar two. You know what I mean? Like just hovered there forever. And now we're breaking key levels, key resistance. So we're doing good. And I think that is it. I want to give a special thanks to like people like Amit. He has his own live, his own channel. I want to give a special thanks to Mari, Sir Jack at After Hours, Darren Meme God. Let's see who else. Um, Millie. Shout out to Millie. He's the only one that called Mira with me. He's from Tampa, Florida, so that might have had something to do with it. You know what I mean? But yeah, yeah. I messaged the CEO of Mira Pharmaceuticals, so I should be getting a call back here pretty soon in the next couple days. But regardless, if not, I'm still going to go over the data page by page. So there's probably going to be a 6-part episode dropped every day this upcoming week. So look forward to that. And hopefully by the end of the 6 podcast episode or whatever it's going to be for Mira, from its data proven theory of John Hopkins Medical School, then we'll have a report ready. So never know, guys.